Hello, I'm here to introduce the new OAV A405 panel saw. This panel saw is part of the OAV portfolio. OAV are most well known in the UK for supplying edge banders. We've been supplying the edge banders here for many years now in the UK. And now we are here to introduce their panel saw. So this is a 405NC. It's complete with touchscreen control, motorized rip fence, digital stops for the crosscut carriage and digital stops for the angle. And it comes complete with support fences. I'll show you the fences here. All super nice finish on here. The quality of the stops, they're nice and chunky, easy to use. It's a fine adjustment on here as well, which is just going to find just where you want to go. And you can move the fence, and basically you can toggle between each one by the little buttons on here. Also out here, we've of course got the extension and another digital readout there. Around here on the crosscut side, we've also, the crosscut carriage, we've got the angles here in increments, which is actually just an analog reading. But on top of that, we've also got the LCD display there. That's full digital, so not only the crosscut stops, but also the angle. Okay, down onto the sliding table side, we've got a carriage which it is currently standard. I think this might be an option going forward, but as we speak at the moment, this is standard. Extra carriage which used in conjunction here for larger sheets, which is a nice feature. Mitre fence and timber clamp, and a nice little handle here just for pushing backwards and forwards. When we want to lock off our sliding table, we've got many increments along the way, so we can just set the machine in front of the blade and lock it off, and then unlock, and away we go. Beautiful sliding table on this, nice and smooth. Onto the rip fence, which is probably the best or the most popular feature we have here, which is super accurate. Everyone's going to put the same dimensions in. A lot of time saving here by not having to walk around. And yeah, simply operated here. We just key in the size. At the moment we're at 1100. So if I bring this to 500 mil and then enter it, this button comes on, and which means you're ready to go. It fine adjusts just until it gets to the position you want to get, which is 500 mil. So yeah, super accurate. We've got a scribe blade on here as well, which is manually adjusted. It's got a 5.5 kilowatt motor, a 350 blade capacity. If you do want to do any ripping, the motor's there for us. So yeah, this is a great addition to the OAV portfolio.